cleaning tips every property owner needs to know. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. As a property owner-manager, you probably want to see the place become an appealing investment. This doesn't come easy, as it means adopting a certain mindset in regards to cleaning. Sure, renovating the interior and filling it with what your most likely tenants are after is important, but so is cleaning. Marketing the property plays a huge role in getting new tenants. You know just how important first impressions are. Well, there is no better way to secure a good first impression than to clean the area properly. Here is what you should focus your attention on. Deep clean the carpets. Carpets and soft furnishings in general play the role of air filters for the area. They can become breeding grounds for bacteria and germs, as well as trap allergens that make it difficult for people with respiratory conditions. You don't want any of that spreading throughout the place, do you? It is important to have the carpets professionally cleaned, to remove all of the harmful debris. Mere vacuuming is not enough to do the job. It is only a way to routinely remove surface dust. To get to the deeply ingrained particles, you need to utilize deep cleaning machinery. One of the most common methods to achieve this involves hot water extraction. It features some moisture injected deep within the fibers, which is then extracted along with any spoils. It is an excellent service, which keeps carpets looking good and, more importantly, free of harmful allergens and bacteria. Clean tiled surfaces. Ceramic tiles add a pleasant look to every kitchen, bathroom, hallway or patio area. Even though such surfaces are very durable, they are not safe from accumulated grime. To keep the area looking great, you should use no harsh chemicals, especially ones that contain bleach. An alkaline solution works fine for this kind of surface. High-pressure washing is a great way to get the grime in hard-to-reach areas. Applying a penetrating sealer is an excellent way to ensure tile stays clean. Whether it is the bathroom, kitchen or patio area, this will help the area to preserve its clean state. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new FastKlean videos. Changing air filters. Changing the filter of the HVAC unit is pretty important. Given how much use these filters get throughout the year, it is no surprise this task needs to be taken care of. You will do well to replace filters every few months, especially if your tenants suffer from allergies or have pets. Addressing this simple task will significantly improve energy efficiency and also limit allergens. Clean the blinds. It is surprising how many homeowners forget about this task. However, blinds collect a lot of debris and should, therefore, be cleaned thoroughly. Close them on one side and use a microfiber cloth like the eco-friendly reusable bamboo cleaning cloth to sanitize the area. Repeat for the opposite side. In case of heavy dirt buildup, you can resort to professional cleaning service. You should take care of all these 4 aspects of cleaning your property. Only by doing so can you hope to become a better property manager. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out 7 ways in keeping the home cleaning process safe. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Check the description below to see our favorite products. Visit our website fastklean.co.uk for more ideas. Also, we would like to invite you to join our online seminars to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Choose your date in the description below.